Yes, students. Good afternoon, students. In the last video, we had completed till page number 54. Now today, we are going to see page number 55. Okay, students? Now, in page number 55, see the third question. Write the given fraction in the blue box and color an equal part in the given shape. So, you are going to write the given fraction in the blue box. This is the blue box, okay? In that fraction, you are going to write the fraction and color the equal part in the given shape, okay? Now first one, see the box is given, from that they had divided into three parts, okay? So total is three parts. From that what they have said, 2/3. So how you will write? 2/3 means 2/3. It is divided into three part. So down denominator you will write 3, and how many part they have said to color? 2. So 2/3. 2/3 you will color it, okay? 2/3 part you will color it, okay students? And you will write in the fraction in this way, 2/3. Now see the second one, 4/8. So total, that is denominator is 8. From that you are supposed to color the 4 part. So 1, 2, 3, 4 part you will color it, and I have given in the PDF. You are supposed to copy it in your notebook, okay? Now third one, 5/6. So total is 6. From that you are supposed to color 5 parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is very easy, na student? Yes. Now fourth one is 2/7. So total is 7. So 2/7. In the fraction you will write 2/7, and 2 parts you are going to color it, okay? Fifth one is homework. This is easy, no? You all can do it. Now see the fourth question. Write the numerator and denominator of each of the following fractions. Now in the last video also I have explained how to write the denominator, how to find out the numerator and denominator, correct? 3/7 जो ऊपर का नंबर है, that will be your numerator, and जो नीचे का नंबर है, that will be your denominator. So 3 is numerator and 7 is denominator. Second one, 8/11. 8 will be your numerator and 11 will be your denominator. Same way 4/5. 4 will be your numerator. ऊपर का नंबर जो है वो न्यूमरेटर है, एंड नीचे का नंबर जो है दैट विल बी योर डिनोमिनेटर, ओके? सो 7/13. 7 will be your numerator, 13 will be your denominator. 2/9. 2 will be your numerator, 9 will be your denominator. 5/8. 5 will be your numerator and 8 will be your denominator. Yes students? Okay. Now mixed fraction. See the next topic, that is mixed fraction. What is a mixed fraction? Now see, 3 gavas have to be shared equally between 2 people. Is it possible? Possible है कि अगर दो है तो we can share it equally. One student will take 1. अभी 3 है, so how we can do it? पहले तो एक मिल जाएगा, then the remaining 1 को half करके then again they will get the half of. या फिर then एक तो ऐसा मेथड है जहाँ पर we have to cut all the three gavas equally half, okay? So एक को one half मिलेगा, करेक्ट? एक को हाफ, दूसरे को हाफ एंड तीसरे को हाफ. सो 3 half मिलेगा, करेक्ट? एक में से एक हाफ गया, एक में से एक, देन अगेन रिटर्न एक में से हाफ, रिटर्न हाफ. सो दिस इज द वन मेथड. एंड दूसरा मेथड जो है, एक को एक फुल दे देना चाहिए, 1 स्टूडेंट, सेकेंड स्टूडेंट, और तीसरे को जो है दैट इज दे डिवाइडेड इनटू हाफ, ओके? तो हाफ ऑफ दे दिए यहाँ पर. सो सी इन द फर्स्ट पार्ट, give each person 1 part, that is half of each gava. In this way each person will get 3 halves, correct ना? Yes, एक पर्सन को यहाँ से एक मिला, यहाँ से एक मिला, यहाँ से एक मिला. देन सेकेंड पार्ट में रिटर्न यहाँ से एक मिला, यहाँ से एक मिला, एक मिला. सो वन स्टूडेंट, एक एक स्टूडेंट को दे गॉट 3 गवास. सो वन स्टूडेंट दे गॉट 3 half parts of gavas. Okay, this is the first method. And in the second method it is given 1 full they will get. Okay, and second full they will get, and in the third one half. So 1 plus 1 and half. So when 1 plus 1 and half we will write, that is called as a mixed fraction. That is called as a mixed fraction. 1 and half. Correct na? 1 हुआ और half. That is mixed fraction. How we will write? 1 and a half. Okay. So we will go to the next page now. 56. Okay. Now 1 and a quarter, 2 and a quarter, 3 and a quarter. Okay. Now 1 and a quarter. 1 whole and 1 quarter means 1 plus 1 upon 4. Correct students? Yes na? 1 and a quarter means 1 एक full और एक quarter. Correct? Yes. So this is written in short as a 3 plus 1 upon 4. This is written in short as a 3 quarter and read as 3 and a quarter. 2 and a quarter कैसे लिखेंगे? 2 and a quarter. 3 and a quarter, 3 and a quarter. 4 and a quarter, 4 and a quarter. Okay? Understood? Yes. Now 1 and a half, 2 and a half, 3 and a half. So 1 and a half, half we will write 1 upon 2, correct? 2 and a half, 3 and a half, 4 and a half. How we will write now this? 2 and a half, 3 and a half, 4 and a half, 5 and a half. Okay. Now 1 and 3 quarter, 2 and 3 quarter, 3 and 3 quarter. How we will write now this? 3 quarter we will write 3 upon 4. Okay. So 1 and a 3 quarter, 2 and a 3 quarter, 3 and a 3 quarter, 4 and a 3 quarter. Like that we will write it. Okay. Now see the exercise. Read the following fraction and write them in words. Now 3 upon 4 means 3 quarter. Correct? Now 3 upon 4 is 3 quarter. So 2 and a 3 quarter. Yes, very good. 2 and a 3 quarter. We will write in this way. 2 and a 3 quarter. Okay. Now see the second one. 1 upon 4 is only quarter. So 3 and the number is given 3. So 3 and a quarter. Understood? Now third one is 1 and half is half. So 11 and a half. 11 and a half. We have to write in words, na? Okay. Now next one is 3 upon 4 is 3 quarter. So 5 and a 3 quarter. 5 and a 3 quarter. 5 and a 3 quarter. Understood now how to write it? Next one is 9 and a half, and next one is 8 and a quarter. Now in second question, read each of the following and write the fraction. Okay. Now they had given in words, we have write in a fraction. First one is 4 and a 3 quarter. So 4 and 3 quarter. Next one is 10 and a half. 10 और half कैसे लिखेंगे? Half. Correct? Next one is 14 and 3 quarter. 14, 3 quarter. Easy na? Next one is 7 and a quarter. So 7 and a quarter. Quarter we will write 1 and a half. 1 upon 4. 18 and a half. 18 and it is half. Then 9 and a 1 quarter. 9 and 1 quarter. Easy enough, students? Yes. Now what we will do, students, before starting with the PDF of this page 56, copy this everything, and I've written in the PDF the heading I've given, and I've written there, copy it from textbook. So you are supposed to copy this everything, this one, everything from the textbook and write it in your notebook. Okay? Before starting the exercise, you are supposed to copy all this and write it in your notebook. Then start with the exercise. And I have written in the PDF that copy from the textbook. Okay? I hope, students, you all might have understood this very easily, how we are supposed to read the mixed fraction, how to write it in words and how to write it in fraction. Okay? We will see the next page.